Today, I'm going to be showing you how rappers can achieve balance between rhyme schemes and wordplay. As rappers, when we're writing, we're typically trying to convey some type of message while using one of three tools to enhance our message and make it sound more impressive. And those three tools are rhyme schemes, wordplay such as metaphors, similes, punchlines, and double entendres, and rap flow. And for today's example, let's take a quick look at some lyrics that I rapped over an instrumental that I produced called Drumline. And if you like this instrumental, I'll post a link to my beat store in the video description below. Now let's check it out. Life is delicate, every element, of course, you develop from the negatives, you better check the source. It's like a little midget trying to ride a roller coaster. If you didn't get it, I'm just saying life is too short. So don't be getting caught up in all of the drama, the non-stop gossip, popping on your odometer. If you care about the person, quit clenching your teeth, go vegan on your disagreements and then go with the beef. Now the main thing that I wanted to convey in these lyrics is that life is too short to waste it on things that don't matter. And on that note, it's important to have some type of idea of what you're trying to convey in your lyrics before you start writing them so that you have clear direction throughout the writing process. And if not, then you run the risk of your lyrics coming out sounding kind of random and aimless. Now, one thing that I wanted to point out is notice how my first two lines are pretty dense with rhymes. Here, I'm juggling an in rhyme and an internal rhyme scheme. And having two different rhyme schemes gives me more rhyming potential because I have more words to choose from, and it prevents me from using words that rhyme but don't make sense in the context of my message. Now notice how the last two lines have fewer rhymes. I literally only rhyme once on bar 3. Now why is that? The reason I decided to do this was because I was executing a punchline and I really liked the way it was worded and I wasn't willing to sacrifice that for the sake of rhyming a lot. In this example, I'm using two tools to enhance my message, rhymes and wordplay. But I allowed the rhyming to take a back seat in order to preserve my wordplay. And this is a great example of using restraint with your rhyming skills. I could have rhymed much more than I did, but I decided not to. Now let's take a look at bars 5 through 8. I'm doing a similar thing here as before. Notice how bars 5 and 7 don't have as many rhymes as bars 6 and 8. Now bar 5 doesn't have any wordplay, but I still decided not to rhyme heavy here because I wanted to set up my punchline that I executed on the 8th bar. And I wrote bar 7 with the same purpose of setting up bar 8. Teeth connects with eating, which connects with vegan and beef. Most of us rappers are rhyme scheme fiends, and that's awesome and that's great. But just make sure that you don't let those rhyme schemes get in the way of your message or your wordplay. And we're sometimes also equally guilty for chasing cadences for our rap flow a little bit too much and allowing it to dictate how many syllables that we use per bar and which one of those syllables are supposed to be stressed and unstressed, which can really also get in the way of our message, our rhymes, and our wordplay. So keep the same energy with your cadences that you're chasing for your rap flow as you are with your rhyme schemes and your wordplay to make sure that none of these enhancement tools are getting in the way of your message. These things should be enhancing your message, not taking away from it. Now that I've shared my lyrics with you, I think it's about time for you to drop some of your lyrics in the comments section below. Don't be shy. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below. And subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.